While Bitget doesn't directly provide a feature to view your private key, you can indirectly access it through a few methods. The most important one is exporting your wallet. Before exporting, ensure you have a backup of your wallet file or seed phrase. This is essential for recovery in case of loss or theft. Then, look for an option like Export Wallet or Backup Wallet. You can find that in the settings. The exact location might vary based on your account type or device. Once you've exported the wallet file, you can use specialized tools or softwares to extract the private key associated with it. However, proceed with caution, as this involves advanced technical knowledge. I hope today's tutorial helped, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!